is breathing, drawing energy inward with each gentle contraction. Farther from the center, streams of gas ripple outward, illuminated by the growing light. They curl and twist, forming patterns as intricate as the petals of a blooming flower. This is the language of the cosmos, a dance of particles and forces, speaking in colors and rhythms. The music of creation swells. It is soft and resonant, like the distant hum of a tuning fork, vibrating through the vast emptiness. Every note carries a promise, a quiet declaration. Something beautiful is coming. The core reaches a critical moment, and the universe seems to hold its breath. Then, without sound or warning, the first true burst of light erupts. The camera pulls back, revealing the surrounding gas illuminated in breathtaking hues of gold and sapphire. Waves of energy radiate outward, caressing the edges of the cloud, transforming darkness into a realm of subtle brilliance. The newborn star glows with quiet intensity. It is not yet the sun we know. It is a protostar, still finding its voice. But its light is a promise, a beacon of life and warmth yet to come. The camera slowly pans outward, revealing the larger picture. Around the glowing core, remnants of the original cloud swirl, like soft veils of mist caught in the star's gravitational pull. Some of this material will form planets, moons, and asteroids. Among them, a small, rocky world waits to emerge, a world that will one day cradle life. The star shines steadily now, casting its golden light across the infinite canvas of space. It whispers to the surrounding cosmos, calling for harmony, for unity. Time stretches forward, but for now, there is only peace. The sun has been born, a radiant symbol of creation's power. It breathes softly, warming the universe with its gentle light. The star is still young, its light tender and subdued, like the first glow of dawn cresting over a tranquil horizon. The camera lingers, watching as waves of energy ripple outward from the star's core. These ripples are not harsh or sudden. They flow like the gentle rhythm of a heartbeat, harmonizing with the vast silence around them. The remnants of the collapsing cloud linger, illuminated by the soft radiance of the newborn star. These remnants swirl and shift, like mist drifting across a quiet meadow. Streams of gas and particles begin to form subtle, spiraling patterns, drawn ever closer to the glowing center. Above and below, space itself seems to shimmer, painted with hues of lavender, gold, and sapphire. The colors bleed into one another like watercolors on an endless canvas. As the camera glides through this luminous sea, every detail unfolds slowly, inviting deep, unhurried contemplation. The particles of gas, now warmed by the star's radiance, begin their intricate dance. They twist and curl, forming delicate ribbons that stretch outward into the void. Some of these ribbons collide softly, merging to create larger clusters. Others spin independently, carving ephemeral paths through the surrounding light. Each movement feels intentional, as though choreographed by unseen forces. Gravity, gentle yet unwavering, continues to shape the scene. Its pull is a quiet invitation, guiding every particle into place with infinite patience. The camera follows one such particle, a tiny fragment of dust, seemingly insignificant, yet vital to the unfolding story. It drifts through the golden haze, joining others in a silent pilgrimage toward the star. Together, these fragments form the foundation of a greater structure, their unity a testament to the quiet strength of creation. As the star matures, its light grows stronger, piercing further into the surrounding darkness. The camera pans outward, revealing the interplay of shadows and light that now defines this corner of the cosmos. Long tendrils of gas stretch away from the star, their edges glowing softly, like embers in a fading fire. The light itself seems alive, pulsating with a rhythm that mirrors the star's nascent energy. It moves in waves, each crest carrying warmth and illumination into the infinite expanse. These waves interact with the lingering remnants of the collapsing cloud, sparking subtle changes in color and texture. Lavender fades into deep amethyst, gold brightens to amber, and sapphire softens into aquamarine. The cosmos becomes a living, breathing tapestry, every detail harmonizing with the stars' quiet power. Now, the camera turns its gaze to the forces at work behind this creation. Gravity, the unseen architect, continues its patient labor, shaping the surrounding matter into new forms. Streams of gas spiral inward, creating the first hints of a protoplanetary disk, a delicate structure that will one day give rise to planets. Magnetic fields, invisible but no less vital, weave through the swirling matter. They guide particles into intricate patterns, their influence subtle yet profound. These fields create arcs and loops that shimmer faintly in the stars' growing light, adding another layer of complexity to the scene. The interplay of forces is a symphony, each element contributing its unique melody to the greater whole. The music is not heard but felt, a deep, resonant vibration that echoes through the vast emptiness. As the star stabilizes, it begins to sing its first true song. This is not a song of sound, but of light and energy, a radiant symphony that spreads across the cosmos. Its melody is gentle yet unyielding, a declaration of its existence to the universe. The camera captures this song in its visual form. Waves of golden light ripple outward, illuminating everything in their path. These waves interact with the surrounding gas, creating dazzling displays of color and motion. The light dances across the lingering particles, casting long, shifting shadows that add depth and texture to the scene. Far beyond the star's immediate surroundings, its light begins to reach the edges of the original cloud. There, in the faintest glow, new forms start to emerge, small, dense clusters of matter that hold the potential for planets, moons, and asteroids. The camera pans further out, revealing the full extent of the star's influence. Its light now fills the frame, a beacon of warmth and vitality in the cold, silent expanse. Around it, the protoplanetary disk begins to take shape,